Alright, today we'll be drafting a suit jacket, double-breasted jacket. So first, what we do is that we get a straight line at the top here, straight line. Then we, from the edge, we measure 1 inch, and roll out. You roll out 1 inch. So here we get our length. The length of the jacket is 27. So what you do, to the length you add 1.5, making it 28.5. Then you add 2 inches underneath. Okay, so 28.5 plus 2 inches, that's for the folding under. While you come here, similar, the same way, you measure 28.5 plus 2 inches. So you connect the lines. So the next line to look for amongst the horizontal line is the chest line. So to get the chest line, we'll need the measurement of the round sleeve, which is the muscle. The muscle is 12, but the 12, you have to divide the 12, that's your bicep now, the muscle bicep or around the sleeve, by 2, then you add 2 to it. So 12 divided by 2 will give you 6 plus 2 makes it 8. So the same way you come, mark it and row. You're trying to get all the horizontal lines for the suit. So the next to do to get is the half length. The half length, you have to measure your client for the half length. Here we have 15.5. 15.5 for this jacket. You come here, your 15.5 likewise. So alright, now we successfully gotten the horizontal lines. Now we'll be getting both the front panel, the side panel, and the back, the front, the middle, and the back on this box. So to get the entire box, both for the front, the back, and the middle, the center, there's a calculation, there's a measurement, a calculation for it. So the calculation is that you have to add your bust measurement now. That's your chest measurement. Chest measurement is 36. 36, you divide it by 2. Divide 36 by 2. 36 by 2 gives you 18. Then you add 7 inches to the 18. That's if we are making a double vent. That's vent at the side, not the back vent. So we are making a double vent. So we add 7 inches to it. So 18 plus 7 inches. 18 plus 7 inches gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 25. So we have 25 for the total measurements of the entire suit. However, we'll be doing a double breasted. So from this point, we measure 2 inches also down. But for now, just keep it in mind that the entire measurement is the entire width is 25. So now let's get the back of the suit jacket. Now, first and foremost, you come here and measure. That's on the waistline, which is the belly line. We measure 1 inch. You come here, measure 1.5 inches. Then on that 1.5, you measure 1/4. You mark 1/4. That's a little away from the main back line. So from this point, you measure 3.5. 3.5. So 3.5 and mark. So you have to connect it to this tip. So it's more like we have 1/4 here. As 1/4, you measure 1/4 here. Then from that 1/4, you measure 3.5. So in total on this neckline, we have 3.75. You get? You have 3.75. That's if you are measuring from this main line. You have 3.75. But because you remove 1/4, so at the end of the day, the neck at the top is just 3.5. So this is here. So you curve it. You connect it to this. So from this point, you measure to the chest line, which gives you 6.5. You get half of it, will give you 3.25 thereabout. Yes, 3.25. You mark it. So on that point, after marking it, you connect it to this waistline as the belly or tummy line. Then you connect here as well. So we have like a cuff here, slight cuff there. While from this point you connect it to the tip of the line here. So that's that. Then the next thing we need to do now is to get the shoulder measurement. So the shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 will give you 8. So you measure 8 here and mark, then add ½ inch to it. So we have it here. Then on this line, you measure 2.5. You mark, then you connect it to this point. So we have that shoulder slant. That's for the shoulder slant. Then you come here and on the new line, you measure your shoulder divide by 2 once again, will give you 8. Now 16 divided by 2, 8. You mark, and you mark half inch in. So half inch in, you mark 1 inch upward and connect it. Then from this point you connect it to this tip. So we have this front part. Then the next thing we'll do now is to get the back waist, or the back belly. So to get this part, you have to divide the belly measurement by 6. Divide it by 6. That's the belly measurement is 32 divided by 6. We'll have 32 divided by 6, 16 divided by 3. Okay, 32 divided by 6, we have 32 divided by 6. We have 16, 3. We have what do I get now? 6. Okay, and let's do the maths here. So I have 16 divided by 3. So 1, 3 here, 15. So 15, that's 5. So we have 5 and about 1/4. Let's say 5 and a half. So approximate it to 5 and a half. Here 5 and a half. So you add half to it. You have half to it. Gives you 6. So on the bottom line here, we measure the shoulder. The shoulder divide by 2, then minus 1. That's 8 minus 1 will give you 7. So mark and connect as well. So we have something like this. Connect this to this, then this to this. So we have this now, and the next to do is measure 3 inches here. 3 inches. This for the vent, the back and the side. So 3 inches. The width of the vent is going to be 1.5, 1.5. So 3 inches divided by 2 will give you 1.5. While the height of the vent, the height of the vent, we'll be using 9.5 here. You mark 9.5. 9.5. From this point, 9.5. So you come here as well. Sorry. For the height of the vents, let's use 9 rather. 9. You come here. 9. So you kind of draw the line like this. 9. So the same 1.5 here, we take it upward and measure 1.5. Then we connect it 1.5. So yes guys, this is how we make the back of the suit. This is how we draft the back part of the suit. I hope you got it.